హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు టెక్ ఎస్పీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఇస్ సురేష్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం వార్డ్ శానిటేషన్ అండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ సెక్రటరీ జాబ్కి సంబంధించి పార్ట్ బిలో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది టాపిక్ అయినటువంటి బయోకెమిస్ట్రీలో వాటర్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అనేటువంటి దానికి సంబంధించి ఒక టాప్ 50 మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేటువంటివి చూద్దాం. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ది టోటల్ బాడీ వాటర్ in various subjects is relatively constant when expressed as percentage of the lean body mass and is about ఎంత పర్సెంట్ ఉంటుంది? 70%. Next, second one, the percentage of water contained in the body of an individual is less because of percentage of water contained in a body of an individual is less because of high fat content. Third one, in intracellular compartment, the fluid present in ml per kg body weight is about 330. Fourth one, in extracellular compartment, the fluid present in ml per kg of body weight is about 270. Next one, the fluid present in dense connective tissue and cartilage in ml per kg body weight is about 45. Next, sixth one, the total body water in milliliters per kg about body weight in average normal young adult male is about 600. Fluid present in bones which cannot be exchanged rapidly because of relative vascularity is about 45 ml per kg. Next, eighth one, water derived in GM from complete oxidation of each GM of carbohydrate is about 0.55 or 0.55. Next, the oxidation of 100 grams of fat yields, how much it yields? 107 grams per water or 107 gm per water. 10th one, each gm of protein on complete oxidation yields about 0.41 gm per water. And next question, 11th one, the daily total body water derived from oxidation of foodstuff is about 100 ml. 12th one, the daily water allowance for normal infant is about 330 to 1000 ml. Daily water allowance for normal adult which weighs about 60 kg is 1800 to 2500 ml. 14th one, insensible loss of body water of normal adult is about insensible loss of body water of normal adult is about 600 to 1000 ml. 15th one, the predominant cation of plasma is Na plus. The predominant action of plasma is Cl minus. 17, vasopressin is a enhanced facultative reabsorption of water. Vasopressin enhances facultative reabsorption of water. Next, 18th one, enhanced facultative reabsorption of water by vasopressin is mediated by cyclic AMP. 18th one మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి, enhanced facultative reabsorption of water by vasopressin is mediated by cyclic AMP. 19th one, action of kinins is to increase both salt and water excretion. Action of kinins is to increase both salt and water excretion. The activity of kinins is modulated by prostaglandins. Activity of kinins is modulated by prostaglandins. An important cause of a water intoxication is renal failure. Renal failure is an important cause of water intoxication. 22. Minimum excretory urinary volume for waste products elimination during 24 hours is minimum excretory urinary volume for waste products of or waste products elimination during 24 hours is 500 to 600 ml. In primary dehydration, what happens in primary dehydration? Intracellular fluid volume is reduced in primary dehydration. An important cause of secondary dehydration is gastroenteritis. An important cause of secondary dehydration is gastroenteritis. 25th one. Important finding of secondary dehydration is intracellular edema. 26th question. Urine examination is secondary dehydration source. Urine examination in secondary dehydration shows. What does it shows? Low specific gravity. 27th. The total calcium of the human body is about 1 to 1.5 kg. Daily requirement of calcium for a normal adult human is 800 mg. Normal total serum calcium level varies between 9 to 11 mg. The element needed in quantities greater than 100 mg for human beings is greater than 100 milligrams for the human beings is calcium. Mineral present in the human body in larger amounts than any other cation is the mineral present in the human body in larger amounts than any other cation is calcium. Percentage of the total body calcium present in bones is the percentage of total body calcium present in human bones is 99%. 33. Percentage of calcium present in the extracellular fluid. How much percent is present in the extracellular fluid? 1%. Next, 34th one. The physiologically active form of calcium is ionized form. 35. The normal concentration of calcium in CSF is 4.5 to 5 mg per 100 ml. Absorption of calcium is increased on a high protein diet. 37th one. Calcium absorption is interfered by phytic acid in cells. 38. Calcium absorption is increased by vitamin D. 39. In serum product of CaXP in children is normally 50. How much it counts? 50. Next, 40. Question number 40. Intricate. The product of CaXP in serum is below 30. In man, the amount of calcium in grams filtered in 24 hours period by renal glomerulus is. ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ మళ్ళీ చూడండి. ఇది ఇన్ మ్యాన్ a amount of calcium in GMS filtered in 24 hours period by the renal glomerulus is 10. Next 42. The percentage of the calcium eliminated in the feces is. Percentage of the calcium eliminated in the feces is 70 to 90%. Maximal renal tubular reabsorptive capacity of or reabsorptive capacity for calcium in milligrams per minute is about 4.99 plus or minus 0.21. Renal ricket is caused by renal tubular defect. It means usually inherited, which interferes with reabsorption of phosphorus. Next question number 45. After operative removal of the parathyroid glands resulting into hypoparathyroidism, the concentration of the serum calcium may drop below 7 milligrams. One of the principal cations of soft tissue and body fluids is Mg, magnesium. The normal concentration of magnesium in whole blood is. Normal concentration of magnesium in the whole blood is 2 to 4 milligrams per 100 ml. 48th question. The normal concentration of magnesium in CSF is about how much? 3 mg per 100 milliliters. 49th one. The magnesium content of muscle is about. Magnesium content of muscle is about 21 mg per 100 ml. Next question number 50. Intestinal absorption of magnesium is increased in. Intestinal absorption of magnesium is increased in. Where it will be increased in? Calcium deficient diet. సో ఇది ఫ్రెండ్స్ వాటర్ శానిటేషన్లో పార్ట్ బిలో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ అయినటువంటి బయోకెమిస్ట్రీలో ఒక పార్ట్ ఇది. వాటర్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అనేటువంటిది ఈ టాపిక్ సంబంధించి టాప్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 50 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి కింద ప్రొవైడ్ చేశాను. వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అనిపిస్తే షేర్ చేయండి. ఇటువంటి వీడియోస్ మీరు ఇంకా చూడాలనుకుని ఛానల్ని ఇప్పటివరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోయి ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా నేను వీడియో పెట్టగానే మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ అయితే రావాలనుకుంటే పక్కన ఉన్నటువంటి బెల్ సింబల్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్వేస్ అని చెప్పి యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి.